A computer power supply converts AC to DC, providing stable power to components safely. Today's video is about top 5 best computer power supply that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vetru Computer Power Supply, the 80 Plus Gold Certified Power Supply is an excellent choice for anyone seeking both reliability and efficiency. Its high certification ensures minimal energy waste while delivering consistent performance, making it ideal for demanding systems. Fully compliant with ATX 3.1 specifications, it represents the latest standard in power supply technology, providing peace of mind for PC builders and gamers alike. This PSU is PCIe Gen 5.1 ready, offering compatibility with the newest hardware while remaining backward compatible with PCIe 4.0 and 3.0, ensuring future-proofing for upcoming upgrades. The inclusion of premium 105°C capacitors guarantees stable, cool, and long-lasting operation even under heavy loads. Additionally, its full modular design allows for efficient cable management, letting users install only the cables they need, reducing clutter, and improving airflow. Overall, this power supply combines cutting-edge standards, durable components, and thoughtful design, making it a top-tier choice for high-performance and gaming PC builds. Now our second product is high-power computer power supply. The 750-watt power supply is a powerful and reliable choice for both gamers and professionals. With 80 Plus Gold certification, it delivers high energy efficiency, reducing electricity costs while providing stable power for demanding systems. Its robust design and premium components ensure dependable performance, making it ideal for gaming rigs, workstations, or content creation setups. Fully compliant with the latest ATX 3.0 standard, this PSU is compatible with modern motherboards and components. A built-in silent fan with intelligent temperature control keeps the system cool without generating distracting noise, enhancing overall computing comfort. Multiple connectors, including PCIe and SATA, make it versatile enough to support a wide range of devices. Safety features such as overcurrent and overvoltage protection safeguard your components from potential damage. With 750 watts of power, it easily handles high-end graphics cards, processors, and peripherals, ensuring smoother responsive performance. Its combination of efficiency, reliability, and compatibility makes this power supply a top-tier choice for gamers and professionals alike. Our third product is MSI Computer Power Supply. This 80 Plus Gold Certified Power Supply is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking efficiency, reliability, and future-ready performance. Its high certification ensures excellent energy efficiency, reducing electricity costs while delivering stable and consistent power to your system. Designed with long-term reliability in mind, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind and confidence that your investment will last for years. The fully modular design allows for effortless cable management, letting you connect only the cables you need, reducing clutter, and improving airflow inside your case. This makes installation clean, flexible, and convenient for both novice and experienced PC builders. Built to meet the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, this PSU is fully compatible with modern motherboards and high-end graphics cards, while remaining backward compatible with older components. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, efficiency, and durable construction makes it a top-tier choice for gamers, content creators, and high-performance PC enthusiasts alike. Now number 4, Vetru Computer Power Supply. This power supply is an exceptional choice for gamers, PC builders, and professionals who demand reliability, efficiency, and cutting-edge performance. PCIe Gen 5.1 ready, it supports the latest standards for faster data transfer and improved efficiency, while maintaining backward compatibility with PCIe 4.0 and 3.0. This ensures smooth upgrades and long-term system compatibility, making it future-proof for evolving hardware needs. A fully ATX 3.1 compliant, it adheres to the newest power supply standards, making it ideal for high-performance and demanding systems. The inclusion of premium 105°C capacitors ensures stable, low-temperature operation, even under heavy loads, guaranteeing durability and safety for high-end components. With 80 Plus Gold certification, this PSU delivers energy-efficient power, reducing electricity costs without sacrificing performance. Its fully modular design allows for easy cable management, letting users install only the cables they need, minimizing clutter, and improving airflow. Overall, this power supply combines advanced technology, high-quality construction, and thoughtful design, making it a reliable and future-ready solution for any high-performance PC build. And our last choice is Be Quiet. Computer power supply. The Pure Power 13am 1000W power supply is a top-tier choice for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking efficiency, performance, and silence. With 80+ gold certification, it achieves up to 94.4 efficiency, reducing power consumption, lowering electricity costs, and ensuring cooler, quieter operation, perfect for noise-conscious systems. Future-proof by design, it is fully ATX 3.1 compliant and equipped with native 12V-2x6 connectors for PCIe 5.1 graphics cards, along with 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors to support current generation GPUs. Its 1000W continuous power on a massive 12V rail ensures stable performance, even during peak power demands, making it reliable for next-generation processors and graphics cards. The semi-passive 0 RPM cooling keeps the fan off under light loads, while its airflow-optimized design maintains whisper-quiet operation under heavy loads. High-class technologies like LLC topology provide excellent voltage regulation and efficiency. The fully modular cables simplify installation, reduce clutter, and improve airflow, making the Pure Power 13am 1000W a versatile, high-performance, and future-ready power supply. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.